Ramos! And now, sabay-sabay natin isigaw ng malakas. Congratulations in 3, 2, 1!
Congratulations!
At syempre, patingin naman po ng isang kiss dyan. Welcome, kiss! Work na lang. Ayun, twerk na lang daw, DJ. Come on! Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Woo! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, present...
Sa pagpunta, we really appreciate it and enjoy the night. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat po.
What the world needs, what I've been dreaming of, and now